In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to organize your Outlook inbox. So if you have emails scattered all around your inbox in your Outlook account, follow me. Let me walk you through on how to organize everything through folders. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, open your web browser. Here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Then visit outlook.com and sign in. Okay. Once you sign in, you will be on a page that looks like this. As you can see, there are lots of emails that are on my inbox right now. But I want to organize them so that I'll have less emails on this inbox. All right? Or even have nothing there at all so that you create space for more emails to come in and look fresh and new. So to get that achieved, get to this section. You will see this folder section. All right, click here and then select create new folder. Okay, this new folder, let me call it subscriptions first. Subscriptions. What I want to use this folder to do is I want to use it to organize emails I get from companies that I subscribe to their software every month. Example, Microsoft 365 and anti-malware. Okay, so after you are done assigning the name of the folder, you can click on this save icon, which is the good icon. And here you can see this folder have been created. Okay. Then I want to create another folder that I will call co-workers. I want to use it to organize the emails I get from my co-workers that I work in the same office with. So as usual, I'll take my cursor to this place and click on these three dots. Then select new folder. As usual, add the name. So it depends on how the emails you receive in your inbox are. So that depends on what name you're going to give to the folders to make you remember them easily. Okay. As usual, once you're done typing the name, you can click on this or you can press the enter key of your computer keyboard. And here I have two folders created, subscriptions and co-workers. So I know some emails I receive from my co-workers, such like this from customer base and this. So take your cursor to all those emails you receive from them. Maybe if you cannot select all of them at once, you can do that one after the other. So here, if you take your cursor to any of these emails, you see this checkbox, you can click on that. So once you have selected those you want to have, what you need to do is take your cursor to one of those selections, okay? Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Just press down on the left button of your mouse and then you drag it into the folder you created. So here I want to have it in the co-workers, all right? So I'll release the pressure on the left button of the mouse and this email is added here. You can see this has two. All right, the co-workers section has two emails inside. Okay, so I have to proceed to check if there are still other emails I got from my co-workers down here, and I will still add them. Okay, this guy too. So take my cursor here, press and hold the lock button of my mouse, and then I will drag and drop. All right, it is added. Then likewise, this guy, drag and drop, it is added. So if you click on the co-workers folder, you will see the emails there. So now subscriptions, I have to go back to inbox to see what I can do in subscriptions. So I have a lot of emails I got from people which are all about subscriptions. In fact, the remainder of these emails in my inbox are all about subscription. So what I'll do is that I have to take my cursor here and click on select. I'll click on all for everything here to be selected. All right. So take your mouse to one of the emails, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop into the subscription folder. All right. As you can see, everything is now shared into these subscriptions and the co-workers folders. So you can see my inbox is empty. So to customize these folders further, first I can click on this. All right. Then once I click on that, you will see some options here. You can see change color. So I want to change color here. Then I will click on maybe green. because my co-workers are important to me. So this green color will be assigned to co-workers. Okay, subscriptions, which means I'm going to spend money. So I want to change the color too. So I'll click on this, three dots on it, then I will select change color. All right. Then let's say, let me assign red to it. As you can see, the color has been changed to red. Now, what of a situation whereby you want to take back maybe an email you have in the subscription to the inbox? It's possible. All right. So I'll click on the folder where the email appears. All right. Once you click on the folder, you will see all the emails inside. Okay. Then what you need to do is to right click on the email you want to take back to the inbox. Once you right click on that, you will see some options, and one of them is move. So click on the move. All right. On clicking on the move, you will see some options, and inbox is one of them. So you select inbox. So by so doing, this is returned to your inbox. So once you click on the inbox again, you will see that one you moved back to the inbox. But I don't want it to be here, so I will return it back to the subscription. So I'll take it down here and I have a clean inbox. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so please subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people, as it is a valuable video. Alright, don't forget to leave a comment. Alright, you can watch this video here to learn everything you need to know on how to use the new version of Microsoft Outlook. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.